Welcome to the fascinating world of robotics and automation. Over the past few decades, technology has evolved at an unprecedented pace, and robotics has become a cornerstone of this transformation. From simple mechanical arms in factories to sophisticated humanoid robots, the field has expanded rapidly. Automation powered by robotics is now reshaping industries, making processes faster, safer, and more efficient. In this video, we'll explore how robotics and automation are influencing our daily lives, the workplace, and even our future. Let's begin our journey by understanding what robotics and automation truly mean. Robotics is a branch of engineering and science that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Robots are programmable machines capable of carrying out a series of actions automatically. They can be as simple as a robotic vacuum cleaner or as complex as a surgical robot used in hospitals. The field combines elements from mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and more. As we move forward, robotics continues to push the boundaries of what machines can do, making our lives easier and industries more productive. Automation refers to the use of technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. It's about creating systems that can operate independently, increasing efficiency and reducing errors. Automation is present in many aspects of our lives, from automatic doors to complex manufacturing lines. It's not just about replacing human labor, it's about enhancing productivity and safety. As robotics and automation merge, we see smarter systems capable of learning, adapting, and even making decisions on their own. The concept of robots dates back centuries, with early myths and stories describing artificial beings. However, the real journey began in the 20th century with the invention of the first industrial robots. These early machines were designed to perform repetitive tasks in factories, such as welding and assembly. They revolutionized manufacturing by increasing speed and consistency. Over time, advancements in electronics and computing allowed robots to become more precise and versatile, paving the way for the sophisticated systems we see today. Industrial robots have become a staple in modern manufacturing. These machines are designed to handle tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or require high precision. From assembling cars to packaging goods, industrial robots work tirelessly around the clock. Their ability to operate in hazardous environments has improved workplace safety and reduced the risk of injury. As technology advances, these robots are becoming smarter, more flexible, and easier to program, making them accessible to a wider range of industries. Automation isn't limited to factories. It's all around us, making our daily routines more convenient. Think about your morning coffee machine that brews coffee at a set time, or the smart thermostat that adjusts your home's temperature automatically. Even your smartphone uses automation to manage notifications and organize your schedule. These small conveniences add up, saving us time and effort, and allowing us to focus on more meaningful activities. Healthcare is one of the most exciting fields for robotics and automation. Surgical robots assist doctors in performing delicate procedures with incredible precision. Automated systems help manage patient records, dispense medication, and even assist in rehabilitation. These technologies not only improve patient outcomes but also reduce the workload on medical staff. As robots become more advanced, we can expect even greater innovations in healthcare, from remote surgeries to personalized treatment plans. The transportation industry is undergoing a major transformation thanks to robotics and automation. Self-driving cars, drones, and automated trains are just a few examples. These technologies promise safer roads, faster deliveries, and more efficient public transport. Automation also plays a key role in logistics, optimizing routes and managing fleets. As these systems become more reliable, we'll see a future where transportation is not only faster but also more sustainable and accessible. Smart homes are a perfect example of how automation is entering our personal spaces. With the Internet of Things, IoT, devices like lights, locks, and appliances can communicate and operate together seamlessly. Imagine controlling your entire home with a single app or voice command. Automation in smart homes not only adds convenience but also improves energy efficiency and security. As IoT devices become more affordable, smart homes are becoming the new normal. Agriculture is embracing robotics and automation to meet the demands of a growing population. Automated tractors, drones for crop monitoring, and robotic harvesters are revolutionizing farming. These technologies help farmers increase yields, reduce labor costs, and use resources more efficiently. By automating repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, robotics is making agriculture more sustainable and productive, ensuring food security for the future. Manufacturing has always been at the forefront of robotics and automation. Today's factories are filled with robotic arms, conveyor belts, and automated inspection systems. These machines work together to assemble products with incredible speed and accuracy. Automation has enabled mass production, reduced costs, and improved product quality. As manufacturing continues to evolve, we're seeing the rise of smart factories, where machines communicate and optimize processes in real time. Warehouses are becoming increasingly automated, with robots handling everything from sorting packages to transporting goods. Automated guided vehicles (AGVs) and robotic arms work alongside humans to speed up order fulfillment and reduce errors. This level of automation allows companies to process more orders in less time, meeting the demands of e-commerce and global trade. As technology advances, fully automated warehouses are becoming a reality. Space exploration relies heavily on robotics and automation. Robotic rovers explore distant planets, collect samples, and send data back to Earth. Automated spacecraft perform complex maneuvers and conduct experiments in environments too dangerous for humans. These technologies have expanded our understanding of the universe and paved the way for future missions. As robotics advances, we can expect even more ambitious explorations, including human-robot collaborations on other planets. Hospitality industry is adopting service robots to enhance guest experiences. Robots can greet guests, deliver room service, and even clean hotel rooms. These automated helpers work around the clock, ensuring consistent service and freeing up staff for more personalized tasks. As service robots become more advanced, they're helping hotels and restaurants operate more efficiently and provide a higher level of comfort to guests. Education is another field benefiting from robotics and automation. Robots are being used as teaching assistants, helping students learn coding, mathematics, and science. Automated grading systems save teachers time and provide instant feedback to students. These technologies make learning more interactive and engaging, preparing students for a future where robotics and automation will play a central role in society. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work safely alongside humans. Unlike traditional industrial robots, cobots are equipped with sensors and safety features that allow them to share workspaces with people. They assist with tasks such as assembly, packaging, and quality control. Cobots are easy to program and flexible, making them ideal for small and medium-sized businesses. Their ability to enhance productivity while ensuring safety is driving their adoption across various industries. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming robotics by enabling machines to learn, adapt, and make decisions. AI-powered robots can recognize objects, understand speech, and even interact with humans in natural ways. This intelligence allows robots to handle complex tasks and operate in dynamic environments. As AI continues to advance, we'll see robots that are not only more capable but also more intuitive and responsive to our needs. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows robots and automated systems to improve their performance over time. By analyzing data and learning from experience, these systems can optimize processes, predict outcomes, and adapt to new situations. In manufacturing, machine learning helps robots detect defects and adjust their actions in real time. In customer service, chatbots use machine learning to provide better responses. This continuous improvement is making automation smarter and more effective. Sensors are the eyes and ears of robots, allowing them to perceive and interact with their environment. Cameras, microphones, and touch sensors provide vital information, enabling robots to navigate spaces, recognize objects, and respond to changes. Advanced perception systems combine data from multiple sensors to create a detailed understanding of the world. This capability is essential for tasks like autonomous driving, object manipulation, and human-robot interaction. Robots become more common in our lives. Effective human-robot interaction is crucial. This involves designing robots that can understand and respond to human gestures, speech, and emotions. User-friendly interfaces and intuitive controls make it easier for people to work with robots. Advances in natural language processing and emotion recognition are making interactions smoother and more natural, paving the way for robots to become trusted companions and collaborators. Safety is a top priority in robotics and automation. Engineers design robots with multiple safety features, such as emergency stop buttons, sensors to detect obstacles, and fail-safe mechanisms. In collaborative environments, robots are programmed to slow down or stop when humans are nearby. These measures ensure that robots can operate safely alongside people, minimizing the risk of accidents and injuries. Despite remarkable progress, robotics and automation face several challenges. Technical hurdles include improving robot dexterity, perception, and decision-making. There are also concerns about cybersecurity, as connected robots can be vulnerable to hacking. Social and ethical issues such as job displacement and privacy must be addressed as robots become more integrated into society. Overcoming these challenges will require collaboration between engineers, policymakers, and the public. Rise of automation raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure that automation benefits everyone and doesn't widen social inequalities? What responsibilities do companies have when replacing human workers with machines? These are complex issues that require thoughtful discussion and careful policymaking. By considering ethics alongside technological progress, we can create a future where automation serves the greater good. Automation is transforming the job market. While some jobs are being replaced by machines, new opportunities are emerging in fields like robotics engineering, programming, and maintenance. The demand for workers who can design, operate, and repair robots is growing. Upskilling and reskilling programs are essential to help workers adapt to these changes. By embracing lifelong learning, individuals can thrive in an automated world. Robotics industry is booming with startups developing innovative solutions for various sectors. From healthcare to logistics, these young companies are pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. Startups often focus on niche problems, bringing fresh ideas and agility to the market. Their contributions are accelerating the adoption of robotics and driving competition, which leads to better products and services for everyone. Automation is having a global impact, transforming economies and societies around the world. Developed countries are leading the way in adopting advanced robotics, while developing nations are exploring automation to boost productivity and competitiveness. International collaboration and knowledge sharing are essential to ensure that the benefits of automation are distributed fairly. As automation spreads, it has the potential to raise living standards and drive economic growth worldwide. Consumer robotics is bringing automation into our homes and daily lives. Robotic vacuum cleaners, lawn mowers, and personal assistants are just a few examples. These devices save time and effort, making everyday tasks easier. As technology advances, consumer robots are becoming more affordable and capable, offering new ways to improve our quality of life and free up time for what matters most. Entertainment industry is embracing robotics in creative ways. Animatronic characters bring movies and theme parks to life while robots perform in live shows and exhibitions. Automation is also used in film production, from camera rigs to special effects. These technologies add excitement and realism, captivating audiences and pushing the boundaries of storytelling. Ethical robotics is advancing rapidly, with new innovations improving patient care and outcomes. Robotic exoskeletons help patients regain mobility, while telepresence robots enable remote consultations. Automated diagnostic tools assist doctors in making accurate decisions. These breakthroughs are making healthcare more accessible and effective, especially in remote or underserved areas. Cobots play a crucial role in disaster response, reaching areas that are too dangerous for humans. Drones survey disaster zones, search and rescue robots locate survivors, and automated systems deliver supplies. These technologies save lives by providing rapid, efficient assistance in emergencies. As robotics advances, we can expect even more effective tools for disaster management and recovery. Autonomous vehicles are a major milestone in robotics and automation. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones use sensors, AI, and advanced algorithms to navigate roads and airspace safely. These vehicles promise to reduce accidents, lower transportation costs, and make mobility accessible to more people. As technology matures, autonomous vehicles will become a common sight on our roads and skis. Smart factories represent the next step in manufacturing, where robotics, automation, and data analytics work together. Machines communicate with each other, monitor performance, and adjust processes in real time. This level of integration leads to higher efficiency, reduced waste, and better product quality. Smart factories are setting new standards for productivity and sustainability in the industrial world. Construction sites are adopting robotics and automation to improve safety and efficiency. Robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, and inspect structures, reducing the need for manual labor in hazardous conditions. Drones survey sites and monitor progress, while automated machinery speeds up building processes. These innovations are making construction faster, safer, and more cost-effective. Personal assistant robots are becoming more common in homes and offices. These robots can schedule appointments, answer questions, and even provide companionship. Voice-activated assistants like smart speakers use automation to manage tasks and control smart devices. As these systems become more sophisticated, they're making our lives more organized and connected. Retailers are using robotics and automation to enhance the shopping experience. Robots can restock shelves, assist customers, and manage inventory. Automated checkout systems speed up transactions and reduce lines. These technologies help stores operate more efficiently and provide better service to shoppers, both in physical locations and online. Logistics companies are leveraging robotics and automation to streamline supply chains. Automated sorting systems, delivery drones, and robotic forklifts move goods quickly and accurately. These innovations reduce costs, minimize errors, and ensure timely deliveries. As e-commerce grows, efficient logistics powered by robotics is becoming more important than ever. Food industry is adopting robotics and automation to improve safety, quality, and efficiency. Robots can prepare meals, package products, and even serve customers in restaurants. Automated systems monitor food safety and ensure consistent quality. These technologies are helping food producers and service providers meet high standards while reducing costs and waste. Security robots are being deployed to monitor buildings, patrol public spaces, and detect threats. Equipped with cameras and sensors, these robots can operate 24/7, providing real-time alerts and reducing the need for human guards. Automation in security enhances safety and allows for faster response to incidents, making our environments more secure. Robotics and automation are playing a vital role in environmental monitoring and conservation. Robots can collect data from remote or hazardous locations, monitor pollution levels, and track wildlife. Automated systems analyze this data to provide insights for environmental protection. These technologies are helping scientists and policymakers make informed decisions to preserve our planet. Wearable robotics, such as exoskeletons, are enhancing human abilities and aiding rehabilitation. These devices support workers in physically demanding jobs and help patients recover mobility after injuries. Wearable robots combine sensors, actuators, and smart controls to assist movement and reduce fatigue. As technology advances, wearable robotics will become more accessible and beneficial for a wide range of users. Military is using robotics and automation for a variety of applications, from unmanned vehicles to surveillance drones. These technologies enhance operational capabilities, reduce risks to personnel, and provide valuable intelligence. Automated systems can perform dangerous tasks such as bomb disposal, keeping soldiers out of harm's way. As robotics evolves, its role in defense will continue to grow. The future of robotics and automation is full of possibilities. We can expect smarter, more adaptable robots that work seamlessly with humans. Advances in AI, materials science, and connectivity will enable new applications in every sector. As robots become more integrated into our lives, they'll help solve complex challenges from aging populations to climate change. The journey is just beginning, and the best is yet to come. As automation becomes more widespread, it's important for individuals and organizations to prepare for change. Embracing new technologies, investing in education, and fostering adaptability are key. By staying informed and proactive, we can harness the benefits of robotics and automation while addressing potential challenges. The future belongs to those who are ready to learn and grow alongside technology. Robotics and automation are contributing to a more sustainable future. Automated systems optimize energy use, reduce waste, and support renewable energy projects. Robots help monitor and protect natural resources, making industries more environmentally friendly. By integrating sustainability into robotics, we can create solutions that benefit both people and the planet. Conclusion: robotics and automation are transforming the world in profound ways. From our homes to outer space, these technologies are making life safer, more efficient, and more exciting. While challenges remain, the potential benefits are enormous. By embracing innovation and working together, we can shape a future where robotics and automation enhance our lives and create new opportunities for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of robotics and automation.